Welcome to this guide on how to invest via Zopa, a leading peer-to-peer lending platform in the UK. Investing with Zopa allows you to lend money to borrowers and earn interest on your investment. To get started, you need to sign up for a Zopa account on their website. First, go to the Zopa website and click on the Sign Up button. Then fill in the registration form with your personal details. You will need to provide identification and proof of address to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. Once your account is open, you can add money to your Zopa account using a debit card or bank transfer. Next, you need to choose your investment product. Zopa offers several products with different levels of risk and return. The Zopa Core product is a lower risk option that lends to a diversified portfolio of borrowers, while the Zopa Plus product offers higher returns but comes with higher risk. After selecting your product, you can set up a regular investment or make a one-off investment. You can also choose to lend for a fixed term or access your money at any time. It is essential to understand that lending to individuals carries a risk of default, and Zopa has a provision fund in place to help mitigate this risk. To minimize risk, it is recommended to diversify your investment across multiple loans and products. You can also set up a reinvestment plan to automatically reinvest your interest and repayments. Zopa provides a clear and transparent breakdown of the fees associated with each product, and you can track the performance of your investment through your online account. In conclusion, investing with Zopa is a straightforward process that can provide a stable source of income. By understanding the different products and risks involved, you can make an informed decision about how to invest your money. Remember to always diversify your investment and keep a long-term perspective to maximize your returns.